take our clamshell to the whole world.
Sure, we will.
It's called our kakarachi.
Kakarachi?
Yeah.
What is the pricing and weight of this one?
So our price comes with, come to Alleppey. Habibi, come. Okay. So this is our poultry feed.
Okay.
This is our poultry feed where we remove our powder form and we only have this crushed form.
So will the hen eat directly?
Yeah, it will. The hen will eat directly. So they boil it and they boil it and they get the meat from it, which we
meat.
Yeah, it will clear the water and it will optimize the pH.
My lovely, what is this? This look like mountain, bro. What is this?
This is clamshell, which we source it from our Vemrand backwaters.
Vemrand backwater?
Yes, it's world famous Vemrand backwaters. We source it from Vemrand backwaters. So this is our black clamshell.
Okay, black clamshells.
Yeah.
Which look like oyster mussels.
Yeah.
The same thing, right?
The same thing, but it's highly rich in calcium and nutrients.
Okay, highly rich in calcium and nutrition. So what are the things you are doing with this?
So what we are doing is we are regulating our soil.
We are
on a mission to sustain the soil. We are on a mission to optimize the soil.
Great, man.
So let's go.
Okay,
and
before
watch.
that, just give me a minute.
Yeah.
Before that, for the viewers, how it look like, and you are collecting from the ponds or river, backwaters, right? How it look like first?
So actually, when the fishermen they go and collect it from the backwater, so it will be like this, closed. So they boil it and they boil it and they get the meat from it, which we
meat.
Yeah.
Can you consume that?
Yeah. It's called our kakarachi.
Kakarachi?
Yeah.
Many of them don't know that what is kakarachi.
Come to Alleppey. Habibi, come.
So what is the location? You tell me.
So it's Alleppey, Kerala. The very own Alleppey, known for houseboat.
Exact place.
Alleppey, Mananjeri.
And tell me the age to the viewers.
I am 24 years old.
24 years old, young agri entrepreneur. He is, having a small unit of factory over here. And, these are the clamshells he's collecting from the backwater of Vembanad Lake and doing a wonderful job.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now for the viewers, explain how you are, how many years it's been?
So it's been like 3 years. I am on the market. Yeah.
Okay, great.
So we are in a mission to give an awareness how to optimize soil. What is the importance of optimizing the soil?
Okay.
Yeah.
So you told me that you are collecting the clamshells from the water.
Backwaters, right.
So then what is the process next?
So these are boiled and the meats are extracted from, once it's boiled, it will open like this. Yeah, and the meat is being extracted and this is being taken to society.
Okay.
From the society, we take the shells.
So you are collecting from the society?
Society.
Okay.
Right.
Chalo, we are going to the unit and we will see how the process and everything.
Right.
So how this idea came to your mind, this pH regulation?
So the thing is, when we came to the market, we faced that the farmers are facing a major issue is the soil acidity problem.
Okay, soil acidic problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the conventional method which they are using is the quicklime method.
Quicklime.
Yeah. What is the problem of the quicklime is it will only optimize the pH for 45 to 50 days.
Right.
And what happens when it is acidic soil, it will go from 4.5 to 10, which is no use. So when it comes to our picture is
So this is your unit, right?
Right.
So which one is the first mission?
So this is my prototype machine. I started from here.
Okay.
Yeah. So there were many big challenges when it comes to production, when we have to take it to market. So we upgraded it to this. I designed
it. This look like when you use the rice flour,
Right. So when I was having this product as a prototype, we were in research how it will work in soil. So the result was fantastic.
Okay.
So I upgraded it to this machine.
Wow.
So this is a machine designed by me.
Okay, customized one.
The main challenge of this machine is the maintenance.
From where you designed this?
So I did it from Haryana. Yeah.
Okay. So you went there and designed
it? I went there and designed it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So one more thing.
Yeah.
I saw there is a fine powder over here.
Yeah.
Fine powder and there is a crushed one.
It's used for short-term crops like vegetables for gardening purpose. These goes.
Oh, great. Yeah. Wonderful.
Yeah.
So you tell me this one used for?
This is 6 mm mesh. So which is used for long-term crops like cardamom and all. Cardamom is a very big market for us.
Cardamom is a big market, especially you can find in what we say mid Kerala.
Yeah, in Idiki and all. Okay. It goes.
And I heard a news that you are giving to poultry also.
Yeah. Okay. Come here. Okay. So this is our poultry feed.
Okay.
This is our poultry feed where we remove our powder form and we only have this crushed form.
So will the hen eat directly?
Yeah, the hen will eat directly and it will strengthens the shell of the egg.
Okay. Calcium level.
Calcium level, yeah.
Okay, got it.
As I said before, it is highly rich in calcium and also the main advantage is it's rich in minerals and nutrients.
Wow.
Yeah, so it will enhance the soil pH as well as it will give better nutrition to the plants.
That's wonderful knowledge, man. You are sharing.
Yeah.
And you are telling that you are regulating the pH, right?
Right.
So all the cases like water and everything.
Yeah.
So
yes.
Okay. So show me the water.
Yeah. So this is our water pH.
Okay.
So this is our water pH. This is 5 kilo bag which we supply to the ponds, wells and all. We have this artificial ponds where they grow.
So you can just tie it and drop it directly.
they can tie it and like put it down like this with a kaya. Yeah, they can drop it out. It will clear the water and it will optimize the pH.
Oh.
So in like what we say, so in artificial ponds where they grow fish
algae,
fish cultivation. Yeah. So this excreta of the fish, it will bring the ammonium, it will bring the soil pH down, it will lower the acidity.
But I can see there is a difference between this clamshell and this one.
So this is a highly demand one which we use it for the water pH.
Water and poultry.
No, water pH we use it. This one.
Okay, water pH. So it's have like a there is no black colored.
Yeah, this is white one which we don't get usually. So it is high in demand which we use it for water pH.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the same one which we use for soil as well as
poultry.
Okay. The main difference is that we wash it very clearly for the hens.
Okay. Got it. So for the viewers, now it's been like curious. What is the pricing and weight of this one?
So our price comes with 650 range for per bag. It's just 25 kg bag.
And but for wholesale?
It's 500 rupees.
500 rupees. That's wonderful.
Yeah.
So guys, I hope you understand what is the use of this clamshells and everything. We explained how it's work and everything. And if you have any doubt, you can just Google it out. Once you are confirmed,
we have a dedicated consultant team. You can reach out to us anytime. Then we are happy to help you guys.
Okay, you come to Alleppey. It's a beautiful destination. You can connect him. You can take this 2-3 bags to your home, put it to your hens or your farm. You know, it's wonderful. It's going to work wonderful for the pH regulation. So it's a new idea for me also. So whatever I saw here,
we are there in market for 3 years.
3 years.
Now it's the time to give awareness to whole India, not only India, the whole world.
Okay.
So as I said, we are on a mission to sustain the soil. So our first project is going to Brunei. Yeah.
It's a country.
It's a country where they are going to now do the farming. So they are going to use our InoAgri pH booster.
Oh, wonderful, man! It's
they're using for thank you for that.
So whatever I saw here, that which you are doing, like it's connecting nature. Which you are promoting the organic.
Our tagline itself says from nature to nature for nature.
Oh, look at this, guys! It's from nature to nature for nature. So that's a beautiful quotation.
Thank you.
And one more thing I would like to tell you, with this, this young age which you are doing, it's a wonderful thing for the farmers as well as nowadays people are continuing back to organic.
Yes.
So for that people, it's a wonderful option. So anything else you would like to say?
So what I would say is like to the initial step is to optimize the pH. First, what I would say is like you have to get a pH meter and test your soil and get to know what is the pH count and then you have to regulate it.
That's a wonderful advice.
If you don't regulate your pH, there is no use of adding any fertilizer, any manure, nothing. So first you should bring your soil to an ideal pH.
So understand your soil first, then you go with what you want to add.
Yes.
So according to that,
understand the soil, understand what is needed, then provide it to it. So you will get better results.
So anyway, this is a new technology. What I learned today, it's the clamshells which you are using in agriculture, poultry and everything. So for all the information, I'm going to give his number, all the email and everything on the description. You can connect him. He can speak Hindi, Malayalam and English. No language barrier. You can connect him. Even he can transport all India, right?
We are on a mission to bring our clamshell to the whole world.
Whole world.
That's I want to take this clamshell to the whole world. So that's the mission of InoAgri.
So
let's sustain the soil. So this is our super product.
InoAgri means
innovation in agriculture. So there is nothing innovation, but we are bringing this simplified form to whole world.
For the viewers, one more thing. Could you tell me what's your background? Education?
So I am a BTech graduate. So currently I am working in Cognizant software company.
Working and doing business.
Yes.
Wonderful thing, man.
So my mission is to bring this clamshell to the whole world.
Okay. So anyway, from my side, I will support you. And I'm kind of sharing the agriculture information to the world. So what I observe in Alleppey from your side, it's a great thing, which beautiful innovation. Which
let's take our clamshell to the whole world.
Sure, we will. So apart from anything else, you are clearing the well pH, poultry, strengthening the eggshell and the clam which is used for the maintaining the pH. Apart from that, anything else which we are making a line?
Quicklime.
How that made?
How it's made from this clamshell only.
But
so it's burned. It's burned. So the main disadvantage of the clamshell is that quicklime is that it will be there for 45 to 50 days.
Okay.
So the main advantage of our pH booster is that it will last for 1.5 to 2 years. So that is the main advantage, and it will regulate the soil, and also the nutrient uptake will be so high.
Okay,
so that's the main advantage.
So that's the reason this crushed form.
Yes.
That refined.
So that is the conventional method of optimizing the pH. So from there we came to this product of crushing it and giving it to farmers directly.
Wonderful. So that's the complete information, guys. I hope you understand from the beginning till now. So you can reach out him, and see you soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.